अखोई overall की सुमाइना आई थमजनिंगे various measures policy program मैम से अखोई चाही द चटपगी just routine follow तो बना तब but चाही द difference अखोई enhance तो improve तो लेरिबा program scheme asi kamaina effectively implement tawdra haibage policy miyam puthole harga akhoi ge honorable leader of the house ki luching makha da pakhaki miyam se hoi honorable governor ge address ta yam briefly but sooner sumaina pan biduna akhoi government ge thabak pakhali miyam se khoina sumaina ubire akhoi to enhance the economic condition of the people various department of pakhat khiba ase galoinana individual weaker section of the society busu individually kramana mateng pi biabra educated youth singbo thabak phangdaba miyam sibo kramana khoi masana masabu सेमगत पियाबा लंबी पीबीबगी स्कीम्स मैम हाना सुमाइना लेरमदब स्कीम्स मैम से अनौबो ओइना होय सेंटर की पुरक नत्तब लेरिबा अदुदा डिफरेंस कर लेना इम्प्लीमेंट होना होना बसिदा होय इम्प्रूवमेंट मैम सुमाइना उरे हाबसे होय मैम थमजबदा लालवाइना लवे हौजे आइगी जस्ट personal kenosida akhoi neighboring states da helicopter service se lebisi kuira rural area da natraga town to town sumaina connect over helicopter service se akhoi manipur di just a dream oina leibugum to aingon da su I think it is impossible haina khalam bane but helicopter service se chahi ahumari mamang da ama active service da leibuga loinana another helicopter service to sumaina udan 2 ki makhada rural area da far flung area da connect to binangai housing service pibiduna leiriba simiyam se akoi thabak toriba sida we do it with different types of yasi proof amani na haijaning bani aduga manipur da medical facility se people loina na medical college ano no was talk piduna handaki May 3 gi matung the problem thoki ba matung da akoi Churachampur da mechina no no so hapchin bi ba center dagi specialist miyam tharak piduna rural area da su tha bi ba si miyam si so koi governor gi address na phajana pan bi ne adu loina na akoi Manipur se every year Nongkra hena chubaganda flood situation that don't face away crores and crores of properties in mange asina akhoi gi economy se again it pulls back again and again both in rural and in the valley asisi permanent solution thina bahona bakanda lebak phana FMBAP gi makhada flood control tona ba flood manage tona ba scheme se khra phangduna handaki flood asi 28 May the thoki badu it could have been worse than what we have faced adubo asigbo program pakhaki bagi ayam base prevent tobo ngam khibani habse ai thamjaninge adu loino na hajiki lamphel part water body chamber asimiam nasu ngasai honorable leader house namagi presentation the supan bikre adubo siguma schemes miam siguma programs miam ase multi-purpose program miam se paikhat pagi akoi Manipur da flood situation se yam thina thok piya basi su akoi somehow control to bangam khibani 2 years before akoi kedamai da thok khib daba Singdadam one of the main water source akoi drinking water oina phangdun leib se dry ora pakanda akoi miyam pakhal lambani but somehow akoi ge thobal dam dagi ising lauduna si miyam bo muka khudakta PSCD gi miyeng makhada miyam bo drinking water provide to bangamba mafam khada akoi na yawbang ngamdrabusu most of the places di sumaina yawbang ngam khibani aduna department na pai khiba department na pai duna leba khuding da akoi improvement uba phange in spite of the situation that we frequently face which the other states have not been facing this kind of situation in Manipur like COVID thopakanadi COVID adudi all over the world oire adugi recovery phangdringeda lebak thiba thodok amuga 2023 May 3 digi thokpa hore in spite of all this government have not stopped its work to bring more development in all sector education sector the power sector the natraga akogi transport da natraga social welfare ki makha pai khatpa asi mayam se sumaina koina pai khat piaba mayam sum pai khatuna lai aduga hauji talk of the country have tare Manipur the law and order situation ethnic issue si mayam se India pun badadum ngang dan leibase government of India and government of Manipur na yamna swift action low khiyana ai thamjaninge maramdi May ahum hek thokpagi matungda within few weeks the honorable minister of state in charge of home Manipur da laktuna 2 weeks hena came to biduna different affected places to visit toduna to take stock of the situation mahangna susumaina hotna duna leiringeda honorable home minister masamak lai he was here for 3 days he visited all the affected places including Churachampur Kangpokpi and relief camps in in Infal mafam na dum chalaga society organization civil organization biambo sumaina wari tawdaga how to bring back the situation into normalcy abisi mana suyam kanna hona birami at the same time akoi chana ba thang ba watna ba haina center digi May June to August 2023 manung sida 30,000 metric tons rice UPB aduga loidana hojiki OMS gi 2,000 metric tons adu UPB aduna hoji lebak thiba thodok thok labasu those affected people should not stay hungry those affected people should not be just left out we have to take stock of the situation at the same time we have to feed our people who have been facing the unfortunate situation more than most of us mohoibo yengbi yaba miyam yengduna moibo settle to from through the district administration people housing relief came the labor miyam se chara henduna lei habadudi adudi haimale adu gumbal leite bramdi all the district administration makhada leribo officers miyamna through the government of through the district administration government namogi pifam thopa nitigi akoi monitor tawraga piduna leibani situation si normal langtringe da miyum hanbang ngamdringe da mahoibo school da community hall da dum koina thamde nungaite habagi government of India na so through the initiative or leader of the house prefabricated to same biduna most of them adu da lere khrasu hanjin busu lei adubo situation si normalcy purak na ba se another step low boina akoi committee ki amrum semi committee si akoi chief justice high court ki amana retired amana head to biraga committees to constitute tawraga hotnai at the same time akoi population commission su amuk functional oihanba maramdi hauji thokliba thodok ase akhoida karegi sigi hanjin thokpra habsi abnormal global population lay asidi prithvi na khangbani akhoi punama na khang asi su fajana akhoi yengsindrabdi ngasi thokliba khaktanate more and more this kind of situation our people are likely to face. At the same time, ILP is more effective oina function to hanangai. Have say koi step matang lauraga asigi long term solution purang na bus honari. At the same time, akoi cabinet subcommittee su semaga akoi really came the later grievances local administrative authority signal yeng liba mathakta kamaina akoi na yeng sinangai labor have say hotna boloina na akoi community animak sida akoi officially unofficially pau phaunaraga kramaina praja sing na misunderstanding lairiba praja sing na moigi grievances adu hauzik su adum lairiba nungai khudakta nang to nang you forgive him haibudu mi oiba sigum thokpa matungdadi haibudu mi na accept to the banina asi yam cautiously step adumaina lauduna lairibani aduna hauzik ngasai agi mangda ngang bikhiba motion mover na masu panbikre May 3, 4, 5, 6 aduda peak time haibtade adum tamda community naide everyone try to help one another. Most of the affected people say maitei basu kukina mateng pangna honaba maitei na su kuki bo mateng pangna honaba naga na su wherever akoina mateng piba yabum phamda safer side the government authority mathakta muka akoi por mohoi bo safe place athana bo honaba simyam se sumaina hona duna ngasi normal kam naba hanabadi hauzik yam hanthare hauzik akoina step umuk lauri basina kramaina asisi amadi chatpada secured oidaba adu gumbasi kramaina normal oina puraklaga chatpi yangadra habjisu step kana lauri basi myam jisu akoigi hauzik ki lairi ba situation sida normal purang na basu hona riba sida akoi mayam na mateng pang na ba habisi so akoi honorable governors ki address the mayam da appeal to busi yauna tauzari akoi si situation si pura situation si thok haning drobusu thok khibanina various step law khibasi detail oina akoi honorable address da thambi busu ai honorable governor bo thagat polona ai motion mover na move to khibada ai second to we have say mafam khra si thamgai tension lage. Thank you.
Hi